Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, demonstrating the china we're listing currently on our websites for sale. Very nice detailed stack of Indian tree. This made by Maddock. These are 8.75 inch salad or dessert plates. We have got a large collection of this coming online over the next few days. Just want to draw your attention to the condition of these, because quite often Maddocks have been used extensively and are very worn, but these are in really good fine condition. Let's have a look at the glaze. Can you see the reflection on there? And the fact that there's very little wear to the actual Indian tree pattern or design. Good gilt all around the rims, as you can see on these. They're in absolutely fine condition there. So really good examples, really well decorated. And there's the Maddock Lion and Banner England sign on the base of these. Again, the glaze on the base, really nice and clean. There is a stack available here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these dessert plates. There were about 15 originally, but we've sorted through them and removed all the damaged ones and the worn ones that have been through dishwashers and really are no longer fit for use or sale. But these ones are in very good condition, and as I say, if you're collecting Maddocks or Indian tree, this is a very good clean example. They do have gilt on the outer rim, so do be aware if you're using these, you can't put them through microwaves. And this particular date range on the production, we wouldn't recommend putting them through dishwashers on a regular basis if you want to keep that degree of brightness and shine on the glaze. But very nice display pieces for collectors of Indian tree, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link description that we'll place in YouTube below, should take you through to the listing for these particular dessert or salad plates. Thanks for watching.